Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin dropped 6% in just 5 minutes, and it pumps all the way to 9,100 and dump back down to 8,004 around. And then, right now, it's 8,006. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv and bitchute.com. So library.tv, you can earn library token just by joining library.tv and watch library.tv videos. And this is basically a decentralized YouTube. In case you're new to my channel, I got banned from YouTube during Christmas. And I think it's better to decentralize YouTube. Right now, YouTube is too centralized. If you're interested, you can click the link below for the library.tv. And in case you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can check it out. And also, you can earn basic attention token as well by using Brave browser. If you're interested, you can click the link below. That will help out my channel. So let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin dropped about 6% in 5 minutes. It's because of liquidating the long position. So if you go to data mesh, you can see the Bitfinance, the long position is 30,000 versus the short position is only 6K. So they have been liquidating the long position. You can see in the past 24 hours, the long position has been dropping, and 6 hours, same thing. And you can see they liquidate 1.5 over 1.5 million long position versus the short position is only 103K. And that's the main reason why there's a big drop. And another thing is like Bitmex, Binance, Bybit, the Brit, they offer those leverage trading. So Binance offer up to like 100x leverage. So right now, in terms of the contract, they have 108 million I think 108 million contract, but actually they only have 10 million to 20 million liquidate. So this is basically they want to liquidate the long position, and that's why you have to. That's why the price has been dropping. So and then a few days ago, if you notice that there's a Bitcoin whale, they move about 1.1 billion worth of Bitcoin to an exchange, and they only pay only $83 network fee. This is kind of like crazy because like if you wire money for 1.1 billion, you probably pay 100,000 wire fee, and this is I'm not sure is it that at the time when they moved the 1.1 billion of worth of Bitcoin is on I think January 16 or something like that. At the time, Bitcoin was 8,700. So I'm not sure they want to move the Bitcoin up to the exchange and dump the price to liquidate the long position. This is just my guess, not a financial advice. You use your due diligence. And if you go to the BTC USD short long position, not short, the long position, I talked about this probably a long time ago, probably in my previous video. Back in December, the price has been dumping. Remember back in December, the Bitcoin price is around maybe 7,000, something like that, right? 6,008 or 7,000. And the thing is, they keep on dumping the price because of the BTC USD long position has been building up like crazy. So right now, the BTC USD long position has been dropping down, and then it go back up a little bit again. And I'm not sure is it because of the building up of the long position, they need to dump the price to liquidate all this long position. In terms of the BTC USD short position, that's not that high compared to the long position. So that's my guess. They want to dump the price to liquidate this long position. And if you go to see the whale alert, the big this is the not the whale alert. This is the Bitmex liquidation bots. So basically they liquidate the long position 4 hours ago. They liquidate the Ethereum, sell Ethereum, liquidate Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin. I think 6 hours ago. So liquidating the Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, liquidating long on Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin. And right now they're let's see, liquidating short, they buy Bitcoin. So currently they are liquidating short and buy Bitcoin. And liquidating long on Ethereum, sell Ethereum, liquidating long on Ethereum, sell Ethereum, liquidation on Bitcoin, and liquidating long on Bitcoin. So you can just check the Bitmex liquidation bots. Another interesting thing is over 140 million in Bitcoin exit cryptocurrency exchange as whale moves to 6,000 to 6 million in Ripple. So this is an activity. This is so this is another interesting move right now. So in a 12-hour span, crypto whale move about 16,000 Bitcoin, worth about 140 million from the OK exchange to an unknown wallet. And it is possible that the OK exchange moving the funds on behalf of the customer, and the exchange has not announced any plan to move any the massive funds. And this transfer come a day after Bitmex reportedly moved about over 123,000 Bitcoin, worth about 1.1 billion between two of the wallet. And this is the transaction they move in different times, like 3,026.3 million, 26.3 million, and then 1,000 Bitcoin worth 8.8 million transfer from OK exchange to an unknown wallet. And also there's a crypto whale wallet worth about 27 million, Ripple worth about 6.3 million from crypto exchange be thumbed to an unknown wallet. So this is pretty interesting. And another thing is, let's go to this one. Another thing is like on January 14th, there's like 100 million Ripple transfer from Ripple escrow wallet to Ripple. So I'm not sure they are planning to sell the Ripple to the institution investor, like over the counter, or sell it to crypto exchange as well. So we don't know. There's a whole bunch of movement in terms of the Ripple activity. So you can also go to Whale Alert and check all what like huge movement coming up, with all this wallet and all that. So here, this is the Whale Alert as well, like the 3,000 Bitcoin transfer from OK exchange to an unknown wallet. So you can also see different exchange the Whale Alert as well. Another question is CME is going to open 4 p.m. Sunday, right? So the CME the CME gap, like I don't know if they're going to fill the CME gap. So I think it's 8,900. So will be interesting when the CME future contract open at 4 p.m. So we'll see. And the whole thing is of course in manipulation, right? So Super Crypto tweet about this is organic move. No, it's not. These are manipulator, is if not cartel. So because Bitcoin is such a small market cap, so you can easily manipulate the market. Even the stock market can be, with such a big market cap, still can manipulate. And Bitcoin is just like a drop in the ocean in terms of the stock market, so it's even more easily manipulated. And I know a lot of YouTubers, they're talking about this using leverage trading and all that thing. Well, just be careful. If you're very new to crypto, I don't recommend you do leverage trading. That is because it's up to the house, which side you're going to go, right? So they can just move a whole bunch of Bitcoin and dump the market and liquidate your position. So I don't know. So if you don't have much experience in terms of trading, I would just say don't do leverage. This is very dangerous. Not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. You don't have to be. I know if you are leverage, you can earn a lot of Bitcoin, but then you can also lose big as well. So you have to do some risk management. You cannot just like gambling. If you are just gambling, that's fine. But I think you got to be careful. And they have been talking about leverage trading, a lot of YouTuber. So just be careful. And then they have their affiliation link about those leverage trading. I don't like that, because like you are basically supporting all this leverage trading. This is not good, because you are not settled in Bitcoin. You are settled in US dollar, basically, right? And I don't know. Let me know what you think. Maybe I don't know. So let me know what you think about, are we going to Are we going to fill the CME gap? Let me know what do you think about the direction of Bitcoin. And the thing is, the halving is coming up in May, right? So the halving is coming up in May. So it will be very interesting to see like the direction of Bitcoin, because usually based on historical data, they will pump before the halving. So after the halving, they're going to dump the price. So this is just historical data, not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. And in terms of this crypto fear and greed index, I think this is a lagging indicator. And I think probably lagging 12 hours or 8 to 12 hours lagging. So I don't think this has much value. But in terms of real time, but of course, historical data, you can use it as a historical data to see a reference point. Where are we at, in terms of sentiment, stuff like that. Historically, this is a good historical chart, but not real time. Real time, this is a lagging indicator, seriously. And let me know what you think about the direction of Bitcoin. And do you think there's a huge manipulation in terms of those leverage trading? And then do you think there's a lot of manipulation in terms of those exchange they offer leverage trading as well? And what do you think about the price of Bitcoin? Do you think we are going to have a rally before the halving, or there'll be some strikeout before there's another pump again? And do you think we are going to fill the CME gap? Let me know what you think. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. If you haven't hit the notification bell, just hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Some of the videos can be time sensitive in terms of like token swap, stuff like that. And yeah, follow me on Twitter, library.tv, and please comment below as well. That will help my ranking in YouTube, and I will continue to provide quality video for you guys. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, or stock market can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.